Videos provide an engaging method to share information, making your content more memorable and effective. Hi, I'm Kate and welcome back to PageFly Video Tutorials. In today's video, we'll show you how to utilize YouTube video elements within PageFly. Now here we are in PageFly Page Editor to add a normal video to the page. The YouTube element can be found by clicking on the Elements icon in the left toolbar and scrolling down a bit. All you have to do now is drag and drop the component into your editor. Now let's start with the General tab settings. Go ahead to the General tab, copy the link of video, and paste it here. Scroll down, you can choose the display ratio of the video, which is either 4:3 or 69. There are two ways you can set the size of your video with video size. 100 a width for the video, or a custom size. It's mean you can adjust the width of the YouTube video here. Show Hide Video Uploader's Portrait is found under Show Controls. This feature only works on live page. I'll choose Yes to enable the loop feature, so the video will play continuously in a loop. Turn on this option to make the video autoplay. Please note that this option for autoplay to work on live view. Mute Video allows you to adjust the sound of the video. Custom start and end time is the last option. Customize the start time of your YouTube video with Start At. Customize the end time of your YouTube video. To change the video look, switch to the Styling tab. Here, for instance, I'll adjust padding and the margin. Although you can change the border as well, but this example, I'll choose no border. After that, we'll activate shadow and modify effects like opacity. And voila! Let's publish the page and see it in live view. Click Save. And when Save is done, you will see a Publish button. Click on it. Here you are. Autoplay functionality is contingent upon enabling the mute feature as per YouTube's updated API. However, autoplay won't function on tablet or mobile devices due to default restrictions imposed by mobile operating systems. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.